This is Dr. Steve Darrington with OrthoRegen Sports and Spine. Today I'm going to answer a question for you. Will stem cells help with meniscus pain? And the answer is yes. Stem cells can be a great treatment option for patients with meniscus pain. By injecting these stem cells precisely into the area of tearing, we can help facilitate repair and speed up the healing of a torn meniscus. So if you're being limited by a torn meniscus, whether you're 25 years old or you're 65 years old, this can be a great treatment option, helping you avoid having a meniscus surgery, which can have long downtime and unfortunate consequences down the road. Again, this is Dr. Steve Darrington with OrthoRegen Sports and Spine. If you want to find out more, reach out. I'm here to help.